Melt the mouth of a plastic bottle and pull out a light bulb without damaging the connection. Saves you a ton of time. If you are missing an ejector, gently use a screw to remove the jammed piece. Length of screw will vary. Use a hot glue gun to tighten hard to reach screws. Ooh, don't burn yourself. Bet you never thought to use one of those. Use a fixed bracket to hang shelves more easily. Makes future installations much easier. Use deoxidizing gel and avoid scraping rust for hours. Who's got time for that? Wait about 30 minutes before wiping away. Toolboxes are usually quite expensive, so here you have how to make a do-it-yourself one. Start off by cutting an empty drum with a circular saw for speed and accuracy during the job. Use the same drum to make measurements and cut the wood with a jigsaw. Then add some knobs and paint it your favourite colour. Round corners can be difficult to measure, but here is a hack to make them in no time. Check the distance of the angles before marking and cutting. And make sure to use a square and compass to make everything symmetrical. The perfect round corner. Next hack. Cut a circle of foam rubber, wet it, and place it in the hole saw. You no longer have to worry about jammed parts. Use a multi-tool to cut damaged wood. The chisel will not only help you to remove the wood, it can also be used as a level. Now that is high-level craftsmanship. Build a small water tank and install it on your grinder for dust-free cutting. It's also a good idea to install a regulator to prevent excessive water flow. Simple and clean. Cut a wooden circle with a hole in the middle to get more stability when using this tool. You're going to be a bloody artist soon. Makes getting that perfect circle much easier. A rivet can be an easy way to anchor a cable to delimit a trail. Solve your space problems by creating a new cabinet. And I don't mean getting help from an astronaut. The use of a laser level will make measuring for making the frames much easier. Make sure to sand and even all corners to get the perfect finish. The more the merrier. Push the brush bristles softly against the corners to achieve perfect lines. Honestly. Perfecto! Start on the corners to get the perfect job without any strokes out of place. I wish I knew this a long time ago. To properly secure a post to the ground, dig a deep hole in the ground. Calculate the distance from the pole to make the hole deep enough. This is an easy trick in case the socket back box is not well fixed. Be sure to only do this on concrete or brick walls, as plaster is too weak for this type of grip. Next, partially cut a triangle and fold the remaining pieces. It's like we do in arts and crafts. And you will avoid the use of L-shaped brackets, which will save you some money. Perfect and accurate frames are often difficult to achieve. Fix them quickly with masking tape and silicone. Now that is satisfying. Water makes cutting easier and smoother, leaving a better finish when trying to round out corners. Bend the ends of the cable to achieve a cleaner cut. Use needle nose pliers to avoid damaging the cables. Anchors like this one are perfect for drywall. They don't damage the material. And are easy to remove once they are no longer needed. Mark a cutting line with a cutter before using the jigsaw to avoid irregularities. It's a great guide for your saw. PVC is a quick solution to beautify our floors. Wish I can be beautified. Hungarian point is a very affordable and elegant design on this type of material. If there is no one who can help you level, you can use a hand jack. This could save you a ton of time. You can recycle wooden scraps and use them as a support to wind copper wires. You know, wind them up like a clock. A wooden piece and drill are perfect to twist wire. Build a durable protractor by making a 90-degree angle with two small timbers. An Allen wrench can get you out of trouble when the chuck gets stuck. He's a good guy, Alan. Honestly. Never underestimate Alan. If you are missing a compass, use a thread and nail to make measurements. Like so. This is what I prepared earlier. Now you'll never get lost. Use recycled materials for straight drilling. Also makes cleanup much quicker. Using a chain and a padlock can be used as an easy and cheap anti-theft system. Reach further distances without getting your hands dirty with a custom jig like this one. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more incredible life hacks.